Hello guys, in this video I'm going to open this. I think it's called Super Ultra Mega Lightning Chest, but it's been a long time since I opened a chest like this because it's not given much anymore. So let's go. And the good thing is you can strike the cards that you don't like. Oh, Ram Ride. Sorry, Spirit Empress Ram Ride. Okay, so I think we're gonna swap out the Hunter. Wait, this is my second account. Should I keep the Hunter, or should I definitely keeping the Dark Goblin? Not gonna keep the Inferno. Wait. I'm still going to think about the Inferno. Sorry, the Hunter. What else do I still need? I think I just skip the Hunter for the... It's only for the Royal Giant deck, which I don't use. Yeah, I want to swap out the Heal Spirit as well. I think I'll keep the Legendary. What Legendary do I need here? I think Spirit Lamp is a good card, so I'm just gonna keep it. Cannon is also good. Tesla, it's okay. So... Hunter. Wait, I still need Princess in this account, right? Others are in Electro Dragon and the Wall Breakers. I'm tempted, guys. But Hunter is a safe option. I don't want to get duplicates, guys. So Hunter. Okay, that's it. Oh, Dark Prince. Dark Prince is a good card, but I think we're going to get some Dark Prince cards next season. So I'm gonna change it again. Definitely not Goblin Giant. Okay, Rage. Rage is not bad, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna keep Rage. I'm gonna swap out the heal. Wait, if I swap out the Heal Spirit, will I get a duplicate? Okay, got Battle Healers. Okay, nice. I think that's already good one. Okay. Nice first chest. Okay. Okay, use. Okay. Bad. Okay. Terrible. They're all duplicates. 100 Royal Hogs. Definitely not gonna keep that one. Definitely not gonna keep that one. So, okay. So, we don't have a legendary in this. I'm gonna swap out the Royal Hogs. Okay, nice. We got Cage. We got Cage, guys. I need those Cage. Okay, Prince. Okay, nice. So I'm gonna swap out the commons. Start with the bigger commons. Okay, 129. Okay, not bad. Okay, so the last one. Okay, we got crystals. Doesn't matter. It's just least amount. So we got 100 Goblin Cages, which we want. And Princess. We got Prince. Not Princess. Prince. Plural. Okay. So, Electro Dragons. Skeleton Dragons. Nice. Not bad E-Spirit. I'm gonna swap the Goblin Gang, of course. 101 pounds. I wish we can get more flying machines or cages. Okay. We got another legendary card. Sparky, which we are maxed. Okay, so definitely first, wait, Giant Skeleton's not that bad. I'm gonna swap out this. Okay, Battle Healer. I think I'm gonna keep that. I use Battle Healers in my Golem deck. So definitely gonna wait, should I don't use Skeleton Giant, but it's meta. And it's all just level 14. I'm definitely gonna swap out the legendary Night Witch. Should I keep the Night Witch? Fisherman. It's just a legendary card. It's not our priority. Probably gonna swap out the Electro Giant. I definitely have to swap out this Goblin Gang as well. Should I zap the... Okay, dang. Dang. It's only common cards, guys. I think I'm gonna keep the Skeleton Giant. Or maybe I should get more princess. Wait. Prince. Should I get the prince? I think I'll keep the Skeleton Giant. So I can use it in rank. Sorry, Giant Skeleton, not Skeleton Giant. Okay, so am I gonna swap out the Electro Dragon? Sorry, Electro Giant. Never mind. I think I'm gonna swap out the Night Witch. I still have 3 strikes. Nope, not the Inferno, definitely. Okay, Lava Hound. So we can do a Lava Hound deck now. And yeah, I think should have kept the Night Witch. But there's a possibility that we can use Lava Hound. Okay? And we got a Max Snowball. Okay? Okay, guys. So, not bad, guys. So, we still need to get... I want to get this 5-star Lucky Chess. And also, the Evolution, of course. But, of course, knowing Clash Royale, they're going to put it in the end. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.